In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit a check on Charles Schwab. So the first thing you want to know over here is that this can only be done via the app and it can be done on the website. So first, once you have your Charles Schwab app, what you want to do is open it up and then log into your account. And from there, you want to tap More at the very bottom right, those three dots. And from there, you want to look for the setting which says Move Money. And then under Move Money, you want to tap on Deposit Checks. From here, you will then see these terms and conditions in case you've never done this before. So if it's your first time trying to deposit a check, you'll have to read through the terms and conditions and then press I consent if you consent and press continue. Now, once you've done that, over here, you will have to deposit a check in here. So first you'll have to select your account type. Over here, press on this box and then it will give you the options and select one you would like to deposit to. And then you want to enter in the amount of the check and then you want to take a photo of the front and the back of the check. After you've done this, you want to tap review over here. And once you click review, as you can see, you'll be able to review your deposit. Now, of course, make sure everything is correct and then press deposit over here. And then after this, your check will be deposited, okay? However, do not throw it away right after you do this because you still have to go under your deposit status. So tap deposit status up here and you will see what the current state of the check is and whether they have confirmed it yet or not yet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.